Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SAP transaction code AL11. Here I will be telling you how to download, how to upload, and also how to delete files in AL11. So the content, as I said, what is AL11, its use, and how to download files, how to upload files, and how to delete files. So first we will know what is AL11 and its use. AL11 is a transaction code that shows an overview of all linked SAP directories and their corresponding file. So what is the use? It stores data on application server where SAP and non-SAP system can access. So since it can access or it can store the file, so you can use that file for your purposes in your system. Now going to the next slide, how to download file. So first you have to go to the transaction AL11 and locate the file which you want to download. Then double click on it. Then it will show you below like the directory name or path. And after that, once you get the directory name, then you have to go to the transaction CG3Y. So here you have to provide this information like this: the path you have got, the directory, and you have to add the slash in the prefix. Then you have to select the target, like from the browse you can save it in your computer, and then you have to click on this download option. So in this way you can actually download this file. And here it is important to know that the transaction, there's a different transaction that you have to go, that is CG3Y. Now coming to the next one, how to upload file. So previously we have known what is download, now upload. So for uploading, there's another transaction, that is CG3Z. So here in a similar way, you have to provide the, since you will be uploading, so you will be uploading from your computer. So you have to select the source of the file, that is in XLS format. Then you have to save the target file. So here suppose the target folder is like this, and you have to add this slash in the prefix, and then you have to click on this upload. So in this way this data will be uploaded in your directory in AL11. Now coming to the last one, how to delete the file. So in order to delete that, you have to go to a transaction AC37, and here you have to provide this function module, that is EPS delete file. So it is a SAP standard function module which you are using. Now here once you execute that, you have to provide the file name and path. So that information you can get from this AL11 transaction. So once you give it and execute here, so that file will be deleted from AL11. So this one is a short tutorial about this. So thank you for watching the tutorial, and also please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description. Thank you.